Hi everyone, welcome to 동그라미 Korean. Today we're going to learn about Hangul, Korean alphabets, in just 10 minutes. So let's start right away. Let's start by looking at structure. Korean alphabets, Hangul, consists of 14 basic consonants and 10 basic vowels. There are also 5 double consonants and 11 double vowels. And you combine them to make each syllable. Like this. A consonant that sounds 그 combines with vowel that sounds 아 and becomes one syllable that sounds 가. You can also combine a consonant and a vowel and one more consonant. Here you call the final consonant 받침. Again, 받침. So it goes like this. A consonant that sounds 그 combines with vowel that sounds 아. Again, combines with another consonant that sounds 느. It becomes the syllable 간. Now we know the structure, let's get into letters, starting with basic consonants. In Hangul, each consonant has its name. This is 기역, and it sounds 그, 기역, 그. 니은, 느, 니은, 느. 디귿, 드, 디귿, 드. 리을, 르, 리을, 르. 미음, 무, 미음, 무. 비읍, 브, 비읍, 브. 시옷, 스, 시옷, 스. 이응. 이응 has two sounds. When 이응 is the first consonant, it has no sound. When it is the final consonant, it sounds like the English ng, like 응. We will look at it further in examples later. 지읒, 즈, 지읒, 즈. 치읓, 츠, 치읓, 츠. 키읔, 크, 키읔, 크. 티읕, 트, 티읕, 트. 피읕, 프, 피읕, 프. 히읗, 흐, 히읗, 흐. Now, double consonants. Double consonants are formed by duplicating basic consonants. There are only 5 double consonants. This is 쌍기역, and it sounds 끄. 쌍기역, 끄. 쌍디귿, 뜨. 쌍디귿, 뜨. 쌍비읍, 뿌. 쌍비읍, 뿌. 쌍시옷, 스. 쌍시옷, 스. 쌍지읒, 쯔. 쌍지읒, 쯔. We're done with consonants. Now let's learn vowels. Basic vowels. Vowels do not have names. You can just call it by its sound. This is 아, 아. 야, 야. 어, 여, 여. 오, 요, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이. Now double vowels. 에, 예, 에, 예, 와, 왜, 워, another, 왜, 위, 의. You may have noticed vowels may have the same sound with different spelling. Anyways, we're done with vowels too. Let's do a quick review. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읍, 히읗, 끄, 뜨, 뿌, 스, 쯔, 아, 야, 어, 여, 오, 요, 우, 유, 으, 이, 에, 예, 와, 왜, 워, 위, 의. Now let's do some practice. Can you guess this syllable? 가, 너, 레, 또, 화, 우, 심, 쑥, 휜, 징, 끝. The end.